Most people get this wrong. They assume all banks are the same, but Credit Grow Bank in 2026 proves that's far from true. With a focus on smart banking tools and customer-friendly services, it's designed to help you grow your money, not just store it. Credit Grow offers competitive checking and savings accounts, and its tiered interest structure means even modest balances earn more over time. The app allows you to set goals, track progress, and automate transfers between accounts. For example, you can set a weekly transfer to a vacation fund or emergency savings, and the app adjusts automatically based on your spending patterns. This small automation can compound into thousands of dollars in savings over time. Most people underestimate how much of the difference it makes. One of the standout features is predictive spending alerts. Credit Grow analyzes your transactions and notifies you when upcoming bills or unusual spending might affect your balance. These alerts can prevent overdraft fees and keep your finances on track. The dashboard provides a clear visual of your spending, savings, and upcoming bills, making financial planning intuitive even if you've never budgeted before. Security is top tier. The app uses multi-factor authentication, bank-level encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. Your funds remain in insured accounts, and support is available via chat, email, or phone if you need help. Limitations: Credit Grow doesn't offer advanced investment accounts. It's focused on banking, savings, and smart money management rather than wealth trading. But for everyday banking, goal-based saving, and automated financial insights, it's a solid tool. So, is Credit Grow Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely, if you want a modern, secure banking experience that actively helps you manage and grow your money. Subscribe to stay updated on the best financial tools to optimize your finances.